Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. Do you know that sodium has many names? You might think you are not taking sodium, but when you look closely in the label, you are actually consuming more than the recommended daily amount. I am NURFARAH HANANI from Center of Dietetic Studies, Faculty of Health Sciences UiTM Putra Alam, together with my students whom undergone dietetic clinical practice in Klinik Kesihatan Kuala Lumpur. We organize a sodium education program for the clinic attendees. Education on lowering sodium intake is vital since the latest data of NHMS 2019 reported that 3 of 10 adults in Malaysia are diagnosed with hypertension. This echo the MyCause 2018 study, which has found that 54.1% of the participants taking more than 2000 mg sodium per day. That means in few years' time, the percentage of hypertension among adults has the potential to rise. People need to know the danger of taking excessive sodium in diet. Food really does matters. One of the job of us, the frontliner in nutrition and diets, is to educate the public with the right tool. In this case, we develop the sodium education materials in poster form, which will be displayed for the public to view and learn. To evaluate the effectiveness of this tool, we perform pre and post tests to compare the score of participants. From the results, it is concluded that the sodium education materials effectively increase the knowledge score of the participants. In the pre-test, only 4 participants managed to get good score. And later, during the post-test, 28 of them, around 93%, scored good. When we look closely at each question, the number of correct responses also shown improvement. However, due to the design of a pre and post study, we are only able to capture the instant state of knowledge gain right after the program. We cannot guarantee that the participants will retain the knowledge afterwards. As we know, a knowledge not practiced will be decayed over time. Thus, we need to do further evaluation of the content validation to ensure the effectiveness of the sodium education materials in preventing hypertension. With that, I ended my presentation. Thank you for your time to watch this.